how to get 120-day free trial on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can get 120 days free trial on Shopify. So let's get started. We know that on Shopify we do get a free trial, which is a 15-day free trial, but Shopify came with a new idea, and they're actually giving away 120-day free trial. The link for this trial is given in the description down below. Click on the link and you will get to this website right here, and you will be able to simply then get a free trial. So the link is given in the description down below. Go ahead and check it out right now. Click on the link. It will take you to shopify.com/1mbb. So to get a free trial, what you need to do is you'll get right here and you can see bring your business online with free 120-day free trial. And this is a program by Shopify, and it is known as 1 million black businesses. So it's actually to help the black community, and it's for people who want to actually create their business online. So click on start free trial, and now you have to actually fill in this information right here that you belong to a black community, because this is for them. And if you are, then I think this is the best opportunity for you, and you can get a 120-day free trial. So you'll just simply select, do you identify as a member of black community? So let's go with yes for now. Click on next, but do not lie. And then you can simply sign up with your email address, password, and your store name. Click on store name and you will get free 120-day trial of Shopify. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to get a 120-day free trial on Shopify. The link is given in the description down below. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.